Hello everyone, I am Pradeep Kumar. I am mathematics faculty. I have 5-year teaching experience and yes, I have done my post-graduation from IIT Bombay. I got AIR 3 in that exam, and in my teaching career I met a lot of students who face very difficulty, a very difficult subject. That maths is very difficult subject, and this subject is interesting for few of these students. And you know, for your exam, for your competitive exam, mathematics is the subject in which if you get a good score, then you can secure a very good rank. Yes, so if you connect with me, then I will make sure that you can get the confidence that you can solve every problem in your exam. And yes, after that, obviously you will get some good college and you will get the good career in your life. Okay, thank you everyone.